Hi class, welcome to um, probably the final checkpoint of our midterm. I am going to, as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to post the three files that I was working on: animal, hyena, and main. Let's take a look here at animal. Animal is pretty much status quo. Let's see. I do not need optional parameters here because I will show you where I have the optional parameters now. So the optional parameters have moved into the hyena class, and you can see them here under init. So these guys are optional and not when we call animals constructor. So things are pretty much the same there in hyena, the hyena class. In main, this is where the processing happened. Date time group was required to calculate the birthday. If you take a look at this, I think it will make sense. Here's the calc birth date method. It just accepts a season and then years. Year of the birthday takes let's see. Oh, current year. Current year is from this. That's why we needed the date, the date object here. Then here, this function process one line at a time. This takes one line from arriving animals, and you can see that here. This is where arriving animals was opened, and that is about it. This is just the processing here, and let's see, when I run this, I just have this working obviously for hyenas, but you can see I do have I have something going on here. The fourth hyena's birth date did not get read in properly, so I would have to troubleshoot that. But I think this gives you a really good idea of what you need to do to maybe wire up your last program modifications. So last update will be today. And if you have questions, send me something on Canvas is preferred. I may or may not be checking Discord. I'm still getting used to Discord, but that may be another choice as well. I hope that this helps, and like I say, I will post this. I'll post these to the GitHub Classroom that is under, it's called Midterm Checkpoint. Okay? All right, and that will do it for this video. Happy coding.